What's going on out there in YouTube land? What is happening, good people? You are now tuned in to another dope episode here at No BS Allowed TV, the place where we discuss truth, life, love, and all dope things in between. I am your host, that guy, King P, aka Big Game James, aka The Ice Nine, aka Pastor Offering, aka the reason why you are here, universally known as the undisputed heavyweight champion of common sense. If you are new here, welcome. Come on in, take your shoes off, relax, enjoy yourself. I promise you it will be worth it. To my returning subscribers, as always, salute. Now, you know how we do it, so let's get right into it. This is a first impression video, all right? Going to be talking about a fragrance that I just got. I literally just got it, all right? Hot off the press from Amazon, as a matter of fact, all right? Now, I've already opened the box, so this isn't an unboxing. All right, we can get rid of that. Now, speaking of boxes, we are going to get rid of this. However, I got to tell you about this. All right, this is from the House of Swiss Arabian. This is Shawq. Now, what I've seen some other fragrance reviewers talk about this, and I just wanted to get my nose on it because it was intriguing to me. Basically what this is supposedly a fragrance that is inspired by, not a clone, but it is inspired by the King of Fragrances. And if you don't know what the King of Fragrances is, well, let me tell you, that would be aventus. And I know, yet another aventus clone or dupe, inspiration, what have you. However, this is something different. Again, this is just, this is fresh out the box. All right. I haven't had a chance to wear it extensively or anything like that. So I'm just going to share with you what I'm getting right now. All right. Now we're going to go ahead and take this baby on out the box because we don't do boxes here. All right. Get rid of that. Now, this is what you get. All right. This is something really dope for the price. All right. You can get this on Amazon right now for under $15. Okay. And with that Amazon Prime, you order it today, it'll be at your spot by Wednesday. Hey, good deal. Good deal. But we are here to talk about what this smells like. And here's what I get from this fragrance. All right. Firsthand, I get the pineapple. All right. I get a heavy dose of pineapple. Now, unlike Kayed Al-Versan, this is not a pineapple that's like a sticky sweet pineapple. This is more fresh, like actual produce, uncut. You mean cut pineapple. This also has bergamot. You also have the black currant. This also has ambroxan and musk. And also lily of the valley. So again, it's going in the proverbial aventus direction, but it's doing its own thing. Now, on my skin, because I did spray it, but what I'm going to do here for y'all is this. All right. Let me get out the handy dandy tester strip so you guys can see the atomizer. All right. Now, okay. Do it again. All right. Okay. Now, fresh out the bottle, I'm getting up front that fresh pineapple, but that bergamot is right there too. I'm smelling a little bit of the black currant, but it's on the tester strip. It's not as prominent. Now I am getting a little bit of the florals and the musk. Yeah. Now, I did spray it on skin, but I'm going to do it again. All right. All right. Hit my hand this time. All right. Let's see what we get. On my skin, what's jumping out right now is that bergamot, and the pineapple is there, but it's kind of, like right up under the bergamot. I'm also really getting the musk now, not so much the black currants, but I haven't reached the dry down. So, um, but all in all, for under $15, you can't go wrong with this. Now, we don't discuss performance and all that on this channel. This is fresh out the box, so I haven't even had a chance to even give it a full wearing. So I wouldn't be able to discuss that anyway if I wanted to. However, what I can say is this: if you are looking for something a bit different that is in the space of Creed Aventus, but you don't exactly want a Creed Aventus clone, this this right here, this will do it for you. This will definitely do it for you. Um, it's sweet, but it's fresh. It's definitely fruity. Um, and I could see myself giving this, a lot of wears. Will I reach for it as much as I do, say, my Kayad Alpha San? Um, it's too early to say. I'll have to give it a full wear and give it a full testing and go from there. But what I can say is, for the value, man, look, you can't beat this. This is something that you could easily put into your rotation, and it could become a signature scent. I could definitely see, wearing this often. Easily can become a signature scent. Um, you can wear this to the office. I can see, going to the office, going to work, and I definitely could see this. Getting lots of compliments. Um, this variation of the Aventus DNA and its multiple permeations is just something that just works. It's pleasing to the nose, whether it be the advanced fragrance connoisseur or the everyday Joe on the street. The objective is to smell good. This does that. And again, I cannot reemphasize this enough. This is under $15 on Amazon right now. I am going to include a link in the description so you can go ahead and pick this up. All right. But first impressions, Swiss Arabian Shawq. Definitely something that for the rest of this summer we'll be getting some wear. All right. And with that said, I would like to land my plane there. I also would like to thank you all for stopping by and checking out my video. Um, it means a lot to me. And, you could be doing anything with your time, but you choose to spend it with me. So I greatly appreciate it. All right. We are very, very close to 1K subscribers. And I'm really ecstatic about that, because after all, there is no me without you. Otherwise, without you, I'm just a guy that's just talking to a camera. And I appreciate you all so very much. All right. And with that said, I'm going to go ahead and get on up out of here. But before I do, I would like to ask you, if you haven't already, if you've made it this far, please go ahead, hit that subscribe button, and also hit that notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I do drop new videos. Um, again, trying to grow this thing. Um, and, um, and it really means a lot to me to have your support. So with that said, as I always leave you, remember, it's a lot of people talking, but not everyone is worth listening to. And with that said, good people, two fingers equals peace.